Did I enjoy the straight hair? Yes. Do I miss my natural curly hair? Most definitely. Do I think I have heat damage? Possibly. Okay, I really hope I don't, y'all. Okay, bear with me.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no. I won't stop.
Hey loves, Lavishly Britt. Did not plan on my hair being straight this long. This video is going to be me reverting my hair back curly, hopefully. And I'm actually surprised my hair's still straight. Let's be real. It itches. Like, let me show you what it's really looking like. And y'all, I'm surprised because it's been raining here in Florida, that sunshine state. I ain't gonna be here much longer. I'm currently packing up my life. This is where I once hosted a bunch of natural hair products. I think I'm gonna do like just a random giveaway. I'm not even saying it's gonna be on this video in particular. But if you're watching this right now, definitely comment. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at @lavishlybritt. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Okay? You need to make it ding. My scalp is extra dry. I need to just get life together a little more, you know? And when I look good, I feel good, I perform good. I want to be on my best productive self, and I gotta handle some things. And then I think we're gonna head to the store real quick, like real brief, to grab just a few things that I might need for my hair.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt.
I'm here, I made it to Ulta, and I'm about to get out the car. It's gloomy as heck outside, y'all, but that's one of the reasons I'm just like, let me go ahead and take my hair back to curly, so that way I ain't gotta try to avoid the rain and all that. So let's go ahead and head into Ulta. What's this? This is a mask, baby.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the facts.
So I'm up in Ulta Beauty. I'm not gonna be able to talk much because they got this music blasting. So I'm gonna just show you all some of the products that I'm looking at, and I'll explain later why I'm getting these exact products and my little tips and tricks, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Yes, we're gonna have fun. Let's go.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar.
So I actually haven't gotten a chance to try out Pattern Beauty, so I think I may just try to snag up one product because this line is expensive.
Swear I'll never lie to you. Swear I'll never treat you bad.
Picked up 4 things, but I couldn't find that 5th thing that was just giving me that itch, that urge to be like, let me get this, let me get this. But let me be real with you. I'm a product junkie, and I need to do better. And I'm going to be much better with money this year. One of my little secrets is buy the little like trial size or the little travel sizes, especially of things you don't use a lot of.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh,
Not what I need. Not what I need at the moment. about 15 minutes since this has been in my head. This wash day has been interesting to say the least. You know, it just keeps amazing me. I don't know if I'm having like anxiety or something right now, but I'm low-key feel like this product is like heating up my scalp and like my ears where my hair is touching. Freaking out just a little bit, okay? If I'm being totally honest, okay? Why is my head getting hot? Like, tell me, is this normal? This ain't normal. Is this anxiety? Is this, what is this? What is going on? Oh my gosh, I got so much going on in life. I don't know what to think right now. So let me just go ahead and rinse this out, like I said, and stop rambling, because I think I may just have a panic attack. Because why the heck am I getting so hot right now? Like, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. I'm cold, but I needed to trap in that moisture, so I'm just trying to keep my energy alive because it's like 8 p.m. right now, and I'm doing my wash and go. Bless me, child. My child is still up, all up in my face. Say hi. Hi. She's been a trooper. She's been thugging it out with me all day. I already put my leave-in conditioner in. And oh my gosh. Y'all, that leave-in conditioner left my hair feeling so soft, so detangled, so just luscious. What's going on back here? I want my hair. You want to do my hair? So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Maya Organic Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Styling Gel. Ow, don't pull my hair so hard. Your hair cute, mommy. My hair is cute? Does it smell good, Mom? You said, does it smell good? Yeah. Yeah, smells good to me. Do you like the smell of it? Yeah.
Feel it, baby, stress is all around us. These high ceilings and I need it, baby. Pressure it, make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying. Know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity. I got your hair, Mom.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Yes.
That's a noise.
You hear my hair making a noise?
Yeah. It's so shiny.
The most beautiful girl I've ever known. I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheeky.
Whoa! Mommy almost fell. Now that I got all the product in my hair, I am done bucko. And let it air dry for a few hours and then probably just tie it up in a pineapple, go to sleep, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. So things have changed, okay? This is not the same wash and go. It is currently probably about 2 weeks later since I had filmed that last video, and I am no longer living in that house. As y'all told you all, I packed up, I moved out, and I am about to move, okay? Like, big girl things are happening right now, and I've been keeping you all out the loop, but I'm about to bring you all in. So let's just go ahead and talk about this hair real quick. So this is a fresh wash and go. It's not the same one you saw me filming earlier in this video, but I wanted to do another wash and go because I wanted to see if there was any heat damage really going on. If anything, I may have just a little bit of damage up in the perimeter because those are the areas that I did touch up with the flat iron throughout the process of my hair being straight, and my hair was straight for nearly 3 weeks. I did not plan to wear it straight that long, but I just kind of got stuck in the habit of how easy my straight natural hair was at the time, but it got really close to the time for me needing to move out, and the weather here was just so crazy that I was like, sis, you gotta let the straight hair goes. So that's what I did, and this is where we're at now. Life has changed for me. I'm excited to bring you all on for the journey. So comment down below some things you would like to see from me. Things gonna be a little rocky. I just want y'all to know, okay? It's gonna be a little rocky with content, so make sure you're following me over on Instagram at @lavishlybritt to stay up to date on my daily life and what's going on. So until next time, as always, remember you're popping, you're beautiful, and I love you. Bye.